Hi guys, welcome to my channel Audio, Visual, Music and Entertainment. Recently Vascos sent me the solar panel to install with their AI enabled battery powers CCTV security system. Now it's pretty easy to install this solar panel, as Vascos claims that once you charge the battery of this camera, then it can last up to 6 months. And after using it for almost more than a month, I haven't charged this camera, so it's still going on strong, and it still shows that the battery is full. So with that claim, I can assure that the battery can last for up to 6 months. Now, with the help of the solar panel, obviously it gives you an extra option once it's connected, as this is water resistance camera, up to rating of I think IP67 or IP66. I'll double check that in the manual and leave that in the description below. So it's pretty easy to install this solar panel. They send you a manual. All you have to do is install the wall bracket with the drill machine somewhere where you can get a good sunshine, and then just install the panel like this. And then the panel has to be like 45 degrees, so you can basically, when you're installing the bracket, just make sure that the panel is slightly towards like this, towards the sun. And if you have the measurement of a degree angle, then do that. As you can see, with the wall is 45 degrees, and it's towards the sun and it can capture the sun. The cable is about 3 meters. As you can see, it's quite long cable, and at the end of the cable there is this masking, which is rubber coated, so it prevents the water to go inside. So overall pretty good. And as I mentioned in the previous video of the installation, that this camera has got magnets built in. So if you, as you can see, like, this is metal railing, and all I have to do is just attach the camera. So also in the previous video, when I was installing it out of the box, I had some issues. So Vascos sent me a little video which I'll display, which you can see on the right hand side of your screen just about now. And so there you go. With the installation process, just go with this video outside of the box for iPhone. So I'm just going to play it now. 1, 2, 3. So basically all they are saying, like, if the precise location is switched off, then you're going to have issues once you download the application on the iOS device. And if the precise location is switched on, then you're not going to have any issues out of the box installation for iOS devices. So just follow this little video for the installation process if you're using an iOS device. For Android device, I didn't find any issue. So that was it. Now I'm just going to go to the camera screen and just going to show you guys the camera. So there you go, how the camera is capturing. Okay, so there you go. So the camera is capturing me now. As you can see, I'm walking away from the camera, and it's a pretty nice sunny day out here. So guys, with the added functionality of basically the solar panel, if you're going away from your property for a longer period of time, then you can install the solar panel and install the camera somewhere, as it's weatherproof or weather resistant camera. It can resist water going inside. So you can install it outdoors, and as I mentioned, it's battery powered. So even if the solar panel dies, the battery lasts for 6 months. And another plus point of this is it has got PIR system built in with AI system, so that can differentiate between humans and basically animals. All right, guys. So hope you have liked this short video about the Vascos solar panel with the Vascos camera installed, and the correct way to install it out of the box for iOS devices. And like the video, share the video, do buy this camera. I really like it myself, and it has got good functionality and stability and reliability. All right, guys. So see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.